皆さんお元気ですか？りょうこです。今日はですね、お宝映像を発見したので皆様にご紹介したいと思います。こちら、縦3メートル弱、横が7メートル弱で作られた鉄板の滑走路。アランがエアショーで使った滑走路。さて、どのようにエアショーをしたのか、それではアランに聞いてみましょう。Let's go! Okay, go ahead.
Hi everybody, I'm Alan, and this is the runway we...
Hi everybody, I'm Alan, and we're going to talk about the runway that we had for the Miller's Mach 4 Mayday Air Show. This is actually the runway that was on top of a truck. It's about 8 feet wide and about 20 feet long. So it would be going down the runway on top of a truck. I would come in from behind, which this is the back of the deck here. This way is the way I would be flying, like this. We have these white marks painted on this side. This is the right side of the landing deck because the right door would be off of the airplane. I would be sitting in the back seat looking at the right wheel, which would be forward of me, and that's pretty much all I would look at once I got down close to the truck. So I would try to land in here somewhere, put the right wheel somewhere in this area, then I would roll forward with throttle, put the right main in that pocket, put the left main in this lower pocket, and the tail would still be up at that time. So then the truck driver, Kelly was the spotter, he would be in the right front seat, and he could look through this little slot and see when the wheel was in, and then Cliff would start slowing the truck down, and we would point into the wind as much as we could because Hawaii's pretty windy, and once the tail came down, that was the trickiest part of the whole thing because the wind could come and blow us off. So I'd shut the engine down immediately. They'd jump out. We would strap the truck down, and the truck would be going about 55 miles an hour on the windy days in Hawaii with the trade winds. It would get pretty challenging in those conditions. When it was calmer, it wasn't too hard. The first day I tried doing it, I was ready to quit the act entirely because I was very discouraged. But once you find the sweet spot and you understand how to do it, if the winds aren't picking up a lot, it's not too hard. And this is the airplane here. You can see the wheels, they're about 6 feet wide, so I had about a foot on either side to put it down in. And it was a lot of fun. Miller's Mach 4 Mayday. We did the 2011 Kona show on the Big Island, 2012 Blue Angels, 2015, and then I decided to move everything to the mainland. And as you can see, the airplane's not even back together yet. We've got a lot going on with building our hangar and everything, but it's about ready to fly. And I don't know if we'll do the act here or not, but it was very fun to do it. I'm glad the people from Hawaii got to enjoy it. So check out the video at Miller's Mach 4 Mayday, the Hawaii Stick and Rudder Gang, and you can see some perspective of what it was like. Thank you. Aloha.